Hey, welcome to Fun Maths. Also, welcome to Polynomial and Rational Expressions class. Today, let's look at the question. Today's question says, simplify the expression x squared minus 9 divided by x squared minus 6 minus x minus 6. Okay, so both of them are quadratic equations. How do you know a quadratic equation? The highest power of the variable is 2 for both of them. Now, if I look at it this way, I'm going to be confused. So I'm going to try to break them down and see whether I can divide any numerator with any denominator. We are just told to simplify. So for the numerator, x squared minus 9. 9 can also be written as 3 squared, right? So this can be written as x squared minus 3 squared. And now look at it. X has square, 3 has square. The both of them have square, and they are separated by a negative, also called difference. This is what we call difference of two squares. Two squares having a negative in between them. And when you have difference of two squares, for instance, you have a square minus b square, you can also just write it as a minus b multiplying a plus b. All right, so it means that this can be written as x squared minus 9 can be written as x minus 3 multiplying x plus 3. So when I come back here, that's what I will write instead of x squared minus 9. For the denominator, x squared minus x minus 6, well, this is a quadratic equation that can be factorized. So to factorize this equation, let's solve. I'm going to multiply minus 6 with x squared, and then I have minus 6x squared. And then I look for two numbers so that when I multiply them, they should give me minus 6. Or when I add them, they should give me minus 1, which is the coefficient of x here. I think those two numbers are minus 3 and plus 2. So this can be written as minus 3. The variable is x, so minus 3x plus 2x. And then I'll replace minus x with this. So this is x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. What is common here? X. So factor it out, and then we are left with x minus 3. One can divide both sides here, 2. Bring it out, and then we are left with x minus 6 divided by 2, 3. So form a new bracket with x plus 2, and then we bring out x minus 3. So this will replace my denominator. Therefore, x squared minus 9 divided by x squared minus x minus 6 can be written as x minus 3 times x plus 3, and then divided by x plus 2 into x minus 3, x plus 2 into x minus 3. So these two are the same, therefore they can just divide each other, and then we'll be left with x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. Now, this is only possible for all values of x not equal to minus 2. All right, if x is minus 2, this becomes 0, which is indeterminate, therefore, or undefined. Therefore, we cannot use this for the values of x equals to minus 2, but any other value of x is possible. So this will be my this will be my answer. This is the simplification of that question. Till we meet again, this is Fun Online Maths. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Also like this video so that others can also see it and benefit from it. Stay safe and bye-bye.